Something big is happening at OpenAI. ChatGPT is no longer just a chatbot. It's evolving into something. Purely based on charts, with no intro or conclusion. The AI understands the task and immediately begins to access the Google Drive APIs. You can see the agent responding with, "I'll retrieve the agent evaluation numbers from the Google Drive connector using the API tool." Quote, "What's happening here is that ChatGPT is autonomously fetching data from a connected source, Google Drive, using a tool like the Search Connector or API tool. It's then preparing to generate visual charts and slides from that data, just like a real analyst or assistant would, all automatically, in the background." We're looking at two versions of a slide titled Intelligence Benchmarks, comparing how different ChatGPT model configurations perform on two rigorous tests, Humanities Last Exam and Frontier Math Tier 1 to 3. These slides show evaluation results using various combinations of tools and model variants. In the first version of the slide, the charts are presented vertically. On the left, for Humanities Last Exam, we see multiple configurations. The O2 model without tools starts off with a pass rate of about 0.19. Then we see agent mode running Python, achieving around 0.24. machine intelligence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next drop.